Yeah, my name's Ed Dowling. I live in British Columbia, Canada, and I've had 2 private sessions with Dr. Deb Sandella. And the thing I'd really like to emphasize is that although it's a great help initially when she's working with you, and you certainly feel that you've been relieved of a great weight, some of the real benefits came several weeks later when I started to use the technique she taught me, when I would take myself back for, to when I was much younger, when I'd think, when did this incident first occur? And I might go back to a teenager, and then I think about it more, and I might go back till I'm 4, 5, 6 years old. And I'd like to give an example. I always thought that my wife pressed my buttons deliberately, and as a result of this work, I realized my wife isn't pressing my buttons, she's just being herself the way she always is, and that it's the way that I react to her. And I'm reacting as a child. I realize this by using Deb's methods and going back and back and back till I get to my original beliefs. And so I could realize that it was my wife's little child talking to me, and she was actually talking to my little child, and that's why we kept getting so mixed up with each other. And now that I realize what's happening, I can start to think more as an adult. And my wife hasn't done any of this work, so she's not quite sure what's going on. But my adult can now talk to her child, and we're getting somewhere in our relationship. And, that's one of the biggest things that I've had from Dr. Sandella's work.